If I say that just a handful of dry nuts a day could help sharpen your memory, glow up your skin, and even protect your heart? Sounds too good? Let me prove it to you in the next few minutes. Hey gorgeous people, it's me. Today we're diving into the wonderful world of dry nuts. Dry nuts are basically nutrient-rich seeds and fruits that naturally have very little water in them, which means they can stay on the shelf for ages without spoiling. One small handful of dry nuts can touch almost every part of our body in such positive ways. This way your body absorbs the nutrients better and the natural fats will keep you energized throughout the day. Now let's talk soaking nuts. Should you soak them? Is it better to eat them raw? Well, soaking nuts like almonds, walnuts and raisins overnight can actually help you absorb the nutrients better. Plus, it makes them easier to digest. But here's a pro tip, try eating soaked and peeled almonds every morning. You'll love it. We're talking about things like almonds, walnuts, cashews, pistachios, hazelnuts, Brazil nuts, pecans and raisins and dates. Each one of these dry nuts has something unique to offer our bodies. Remember, almonds 5 to 7, walnuts 2 halves, pistachios 6 to 8, cashews 4 to 5, Brazil nuts 1 to 2 max, hazelnuts 4 to 6, pecans 2 halves and raisins or dates 10 to 12. Eating too many nuts can lead to excess fat and calories, so it's important to measure out your portions. Why are they so special? How do they benefit us? And how to eat them right? And I bet after today's chat, you'll never skip them again. If you have nut allergies, kidney stone issues or are on medication, please talk to your doctor before adding more nuts to your diet. Some nuts like cashews and peanuts can be inflammatory for certain people, so it's always wise to be cautious. By the end of this video, you'll know everything about dry nuts. I want to show you how to make a superfood snack mix at home. Grab a glass jar and layer in some almonds, walnuts, pistachios, 1 or 2 Brazil nuts and some raisins. Add a sprinkle of jaggery and enjoy. This is perfect for snacking and it'll keep you full and energized throughout the day. Trust me, you'll never skip them again. Let's get started. First things first, what are dry nuts? Next big question, what's so great about dry nuts? Let's break it down. Almonds are packed with vitamin E and magnesium. They're fantastic for your memory and they can make your skin glow like, seriously, just a handful a day can make a big difference. Walnuts are rich in omega-3 fatty acids. These little guys can help lower your bad cholesterol and keep your heart in tip-top shape. Pistachios are known for helping with digestion. They can improve gut health and make your tummy feel so much better. Cashews are high in copper and zinc. Copper is crucial for keeping your bones strong and healthy, and zinc boosts your immunity and helps with wound healing. Hazelnuts are like little antioxidant powerhouses. They're great for your brain and your skin. Brazil nuts, these are special. They're packed with selenium and just 1 or 2 a day can meet all your thyroid needs. Pecans can help fight inflammation in the body and they too are great for your heart health. Raisins are natural sources of energy, iron, and they also aid digestion. And dates, oh, dates are not just delicious, they're also full of energy and iron. Isn't it amazing? When is the best time to eat dry nuts? The best time is in the morning. I recommend having them on an empty stomach. Now, you might be wondering how much is too much. Well, here's a simple guide. Before we wrap up, let's talk about something important. Now I have a special gift for you. There you have it, my friends. Now you know why dry nuts are like nature's multivitamin. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button, subscribe and comment below. Which dry nut is your daily favorite?